So today we are going to see how many honks we can get in like a half hour to an hour. And
we're going to take a tally.
And this is our sign. It says honk for our amusement. Let's see how many people care. Car number 1.
Actually there's been 3.
That doesn't count. Come on! Okay, let's go over there and keep singing away. So we have one tally. It has been 5 minutes.
Oh my god, somebody's calling me. Who the heck is that?
And we are on a very busy highway.
Hello, is Destiny there?
Who?
Destiny?
I'm not.
Alright, yeah.
Honk and wave! Thank you! His window was light out. Right here. Okay, first one's this one. I thought that was my mom. I'm like, hi! She looked too, and she was looking at her horn, and sometimes she's like, I'm going to read that and not do anything because
Chuck, these guys always honk. Chuck, they're always rednecks and Chuck, that means they're gonna honk.
Did you hear that guy who was honking
Yeah.
all the way down the road? I know, I'm not really hard.
Well, I get excited, so you cannot.
Hey!
Oh, come on, we're on the street.
We need one more to get 10. We got, have a nice day!
I like how all the roller eyes at her. Then turn around. I'm not coming that way. Yeah, they can see that fine.
Huh?
Turn it more this way.
Should we take the tallies on a tree or something?
What?
Sure.
Okay, fine.
But,
What?
pull up yellow. Pull up into the yellow pocket on the other side.
Hey,
Here you go. Get the
We're doing that cool now.
how many?
Tallies.
He's gonna honk. He's gonna honk. I know it.
I'm not hot.
Really?
In the red car.
Really?
You think we could get in trouble for
On the.
How do you figure?
Well, distracting drivers, yes.
Well, maybe if they're so distracted, they shouldn't look over here.
What?
Whoa. Yeah. Right. Okay, Matt. Next time you see a red car, that was like a box door in front, okay? And the cops. Oh my god, he's coming back. You're so stupid, you can't even read the sign.
No.
What is that? Stupid, I think it's I'm not holding it up because nobody's coming by. My arms are getting tired. Ew. Like someone took that stick. Thank you. Hey. Honk. We should have wrote honk. You're on camera.
Yeah. He slowed down. He's gonna honk. Oh, come on. Are you serious?
Yeah. We can go all the way down there, but let's do that. Yeah.
Okay. Car, hold it up. Hold it up.
Hold
Like a
what
heart.
up?
I've got the good guy.
You must got a problem with all this. Y'all not wanna honk that horn?
How much Shanae?
From the irony, always went to these lyrics and Miss Justin. You're a dead fit, but my wit won't allow it. Inside when you go hello, and you go where the money goes. The inside lingo, help me out alone.
I know that guy.
Where
Oh, he was creepy.
it's so hard when you shallow in the shower. And from what I've heard, whisking your well.
Yeah, and he didn't honk. What a jerk.
And she's got the
God, I'm totally reporting him to the police.
with the combination of
Hey,
my
car.
good one-liners and my way with words. It seems I'm too hard to keep.
Can I go read the sign now?
You're on the guy's side.
You want to hold it? I want to hold it.
You're making something out of nothing.
And then,
And jealousy.
Okay, bye. Move over this time because later couldn't see me. Hey.
the songs used are 19200 by Gorillaz. The songs used are
Okie dokie, okie dokie,
Okay,
okay,
okay.
okay.
The songs used are April, March. Oh my God. The songs used are 19200. But oh my God, are you serious? Okay, you go prepare.
Look at me. How about I record this thing? Hello.
The songs used are April. Oh my God. Okay, the songs used are Chick Habit by April March, 19200 by Gorillaz, and Curse of Curves. Could I punch you across?
Come on.
The songs. Oh,
Okay.
The songs used.
Okay. Okay.
For real this time.
No. Curse of the Curves by Cute
No,
is what
it's
we
Curse
aim
of
for.
Curves, not
Curse of Curves. Okay, now let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Chick Habit by April March. 19200 by Gorillaz. No copyright intended by Danny and Matt. Danny and Matt!